CRS is a basis for almost all the immigration streams for Canada. So, to understand your chances, and as an outcome of it, your immigration possible paths, you'll need to evaluate your score. To calculate the CRS, you need to have ready following things. First is, what is your level of Canada's official language? English or French or both? To prove your language proficiency, you'll need to take an official language exam. Second is, what is your professional level? Is it high management level? Or professional jobs that usually require a degree from a university or college, or jobs that usually call for high school and or job-specific training? You'll be scored on your age, education, marital status and work experience. The score evaluates your adaptability to life in Canada. Naturally, the strongest applicants are preferable. Additional points will be added for Canadian work experience and education, close family in Canada, job offer or provincial nomination. But first of all, you need to understand what is your baseline. Go to CRS tool in the official CIC site. Read the disclaimer. And let's start. 1. What is your marital status? Your legal partner can add some additional points, depending on his or her level of official languages, education and work experience. Is your spouse a citizen or permanent resident of Canada? Because if yes, you can come to Canada on the sponsorship stream. Will your spouse come with you to Canada? This will set the level of funds you'll need to prove. How old are you? Being young adds extra points. Starting 45, you don't get any points for the age. What is your level of education? The highest level of education you have today, it will need to be accredited in later stages. Have you earned a Canadian degree, diploma, or certificate? Meaning, the education you earned in Canada. Choose the best answer to describe this level of education. Canada's official languages are English and French. Choose yes, so you'll be able to proceed with the simulation. You need to state, what test exam did you take? Choose IELTS, if you speak English. Choose TEF for French. You can use the attached links to estimate your language skills. Here, just as an example, we will be using Band 7. This band adequates intermediate proficiency. If you speak both languages, it is a major advantage. Choose the test type. And put the estimated marks. Choose, not applicable if you speak only one language. Work experience. This paragraph is about your work experience in Canada, not your home country. This is your work experience in your home country. Do you have a certificate of qualification from a Canadian province, territory, or federal body? To get such a certificate, you must assess the training, and then pass a certification exam. Additional points. Valid job offer from Canadian employer, adds points to your CRS. If you do have such an offer, you will need to specify NOC level. Nomination from the province adds 600 points. You need to fill your profile first. In the profile, you'll be asked if you wish, that your profile will be visible for provincials nominations. Only then, the provincial officials can see your profile, and can issue you a letter of invitation. Having a sibling, who is a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident, will add you extra 15 points. Now, you will need to fill in the data about your spouse. After completing all the steps, calculate score. This is a rough estimation of your chances. If your CRS is high, you can open Exrecenity profile. If it is low, you need to seek options to improve it. I hope you found this video useful. That's it for today.